Hello children, good morning. So children, today is your bird watching hobby class. Have you seen the birds around your house? Yes, we have seen many birds. So children, birds can fly with the help of two wings. Their body is made up of, see, this feather. Okay, so you have to get up early in the morning, go to your garden, or you can go for morning walk and see the different types of bird. Watch the bird, hear the sound of birds, recognize their sound, color, and their different types of beak. If possible, you can take the snap also and send it to your teacher. Now I'm going to show you some beautiful birds. The first bird is Pigeon. Can you hear the sound of a pigeon? The second bird is Crow. Yeah, it is black in color. See, the third bird is Sparrow. Can you hear the sound of sparrow? The fourth bird is parrot. See children, the parrot is green in color. And do you know parrot likes to eat chilies? Hear the sound? And its beak is red. The fifth bird is peacock. A peacock looks very beautiful. Peacock is our national bird. Can you hear the sound? The sixth bird is duck. Duck lives in water as well as on land. Can you hear the sound of duck? The seventh bird is owl. Owl comes out of its nest only at night. An owl eats rats and small creatures. And can you hear the sound? Yes.